A response card is a simple yet effective classroom tool that allows students to actively participate in lessons without needing to verbally respond. These cards can be laminated sheets, dry erase boards, or printed signs that students hold up to indicate their answers to a teacher's question. Instead of raising hands, students simultaneously display their answers, allowing teachers to quickly assess understanding. Cards can be multiple choice, true or false, or yes or no, or even emoji-based for emotional check-ins. This helps increase engagement, especially for those who may be hesitant to speak up.
Anong uri ng paratikan ang bilang lamang? Letter A, may kwento. B, tula. C, tula. D,
Flickrs is an interactive formative assessment tool that allows teachers to collect real-time responses from students without requiring individual devices. Instead, students hold up unique QR-coded cards which teachers scan using the Flickrs mobile app to instantly capture answers. This makes it an equitable and low-tech solution for engaging classrooms in multiple-choice activities. Teachers can prepare questions in advance, display them to students, and then scan the room to collect responses efficiently. The platform provided instant feedback, helping educators track student understanding and adjust instruction accordingly.